prince had finally found the real princess, and they were soon married and lived happily ever after. The plea was placed in an art museum where it can still be seen today unless someone has taken it, and that's a true story. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, Mom. But I have a question.
Which question? Ask my baby.
Mom, is it possible to sleep for 100 years?
You mean you want to sleep for 100 years? You don't need a God-fearing mother. I'm here for you, okay, my baby? Alright.
Mom, put me to sleep.
Okay, baby. Close your eyes and let me do the magic. I love you.
Mom, can you sing me a song?
Okay, my baby. Okay. Close your eyes. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be?
Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Que sera, sera, whatever will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera.
Cherish. Oh my god. Oh my god. James. Oh my god. Ah, Cherish. James.
Look behind you. Look behind you. Look behind you. Look behind you. Look behind you.
Cherish! What's wrong? Cherish! It's me, your father. Cherish! Hello? Cherish! It's me, your father. Cherish! Close your bag, one bag! Hello, James, hello. What's wrong? Hello, James. Cherish! After how many rounds? A bad goal. Hey, you guys are sweet. Like seriously, I enjoy you guys. Should we go more rounds again? You mean it?
Let me give you.
Like seriously, I will hit you guys.
Don't you know us again? There you go.
Samuel.
Samuel. This one is me.
Like seriously, I can explain. I will explain myself. Jennifer, just calm down. Just calm down. Like I tried calling you severally and sent you some text messages, but you ignore my text.
What do you want to explain?
Just like seriously. I called you. You are I called you severally. I called you.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry. Jennifer. I told you I was funny and I called you severally. I'm sorry, Jennifer. Jennifer, I said I'm sorry. Jennifer. Jennifer, I'm sorry. Jennifer. Mad or something? What's wrong with you? Hello? What sort of lunatic display is this? Hello? Are you okay? Are you okay? Come back to your right senses now, or I'll stab you. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this now? Why are you just... Hello? Please don't just free me. Why can't you just free me? Just free me.
Here we go! Mr. Somebody Energy!
Hello, Samuel!
Hello? Yes, the girl I carried last night is doing so. I don't understand what she's doing. Yes, like seriously, she has been displaying some kind of lunatic display and I don't understand.
Hey, Omo! Okay, let me go and tell my friend. We are coming right now.
Please just come over. Please come over. Please. Just free me. Why can't you just free me? Let me see. Calling you guys since now. Why are you ignoring my calls? Wala ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o, wala gidi ló ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Ọmọ tí mo gbé wọlé náà now. Kí ló ṣe? Ó ń ṣe bí lunatic bí wèrè bí I don't know.
Wait now, no check wetin you talk say you have to sell. I dey come here and see wetin you talk say. Wetin do you?
Fuck it, wait now. Today, babe. Wait, tomorrow, babe. Next tomorrow, babe. So now. Wait, now the way forward we will find now. Way forward. Where is the girl? She didn't inside the sea. She collected that from my hand though. Oh, Micah! What's wrong here? What's going on? See Micah! Michael! What's happened to Micah? I don't know now. Look at this one now. Look at that. Jesus! What is this? Samuel! I don't know. Give me a more. So, what is really me? Now? Michael! Jesus! Oxymo! Samuel! See, you have caused.
Cherish, oh my God, yeah, help me to carry her, please. I'm so sorry.
This is annoying now.
I'm so sorry, please, I'm sorry. I will have been protecting her from all this. Why? I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
She nearly killed me.
I'm sorry. We just want her to have her life back, please. I'm sorry.
Samuel, I don't even know the reason why you like me.
Jennifer.
We don't enter Allah!
Sorry. I'm very sorry, Jennifer. Like seriously, I've realized my mistake and I'm sorry, Jennifer. I'm sorry.
Samuel, you don't put us inside Allah.